Hey guys, this is your girl Alicia Pink and welcome back to my channel. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about Boric Life Boric acid. This is for vaginal down there care. You know, if you are suffering from a yeast infection, vaginal burning, or smelly, fishy, smelly discharge, things like that, I believe this will be perfect for you. So you will know if you have a pH imbalance if you know, suffer from, like I said, discharge. Not, you know, regular discharge is normal, but discharge like a really thick discharge, like a yellowish, very whitish, sometimes greenish discharge, then maybe you need to see a doctor, or you know, you can get these pills right here. Because I was doing my research about it and I was a little skeptical about it because I'm like, I don't know if, you know, it will work for me. But you do not need a prescription to get this at all. But if you are a little skeptical about it, I suggest you talk to your healthcare provider first before you start taking these pills. You take these pills, you insert it up your vagina, your vajayjay, your happy place, whatever you want to call it. You know, 1 tablet of Boric Life suppository into your vagina, preferably at bedtime, you know, because there's going to be a lot of leakage going on. I suggest you use a, you know, panty liner, because there's going to be some stuff coming out of there and you're gonna be like, what in the world? But anyways, do that, and you know, use it before bedtime. Preferably use it before you have your period or after you have your period, because that is the time that we have a pH balance, or not abnormal pH balance. But if you don't know if you have an abnormal pH balance, it does have these suppository applicators. So you know, you come in this, you open it. I'm just gonna open it for you guys. You open it, open this up. Oopsie, one fell on the floor, but it's okay, it's all right. You open up and you put it in here. You will do this, put it in that, and boom, whoop, it comes out. Whoop, just like a tampon or whatever. You insert it before bedtime, so you know, it's like this, comes right out like that. Do it with clean hands, and I usually rinse this off before I like put it in my vajayjay. But, and also, if you want to know if you have an abnormal pH balance, this comes with it, feminine pH test strips. So I'm going to show you guys how I used it, my first day to my last day of using it. But anyways, it comes in these strips like this, like these are the strips that it comes in, and you usually put a cloth or a you know, on it and rub it on, and then you test to see if your pH balance is normal or abnormal. They have the strip like this, so if your pH balance is normal or abnormal, you know, because this is normal, this is abnormal. So if it comes out green, like these two green, you have an abnormal pH balance. And actually my pH balance came out abnormal, so I had to take the suppositories. I'm going to show you guys the video now of my test. I told you guys before, my pH balance came out abnormal, so I took the Boric Life suppositories. And let me tell you something, guys, this works for sure. This works for sure. My pH balance is back to normal. I'm going to show you guys a before and after pic. After pH balance test after 7 days. This is now my pH balance, guys. Look at it. Awesome. It's normal. Much lighter than what it was before, so it's actually normal. It's like this color, these two colors right now. So I am excited about that. Normal. It is in a 4.0, 4.5 range. So yeah, these strips work. These pills work. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a before and after snap. So yeah, guys, my pH balance is normal. Boric Life is amazing. If you're not having any symptoms whatsoever, if you feel like your pH balance is a little off, I suggest you take these pills, but do your research first. Look at the YouTube reviews, get all the information you need about this product, you know, because vaginal boric acid is a hemopathic prescription, you know, and it's a medicine used to treat vaginal yeast and relieve symptoms such as burning and itching and odor. So if you have any of that, any of those concerns that's going on, you know, save yourself. You know, everybody don't have money, everybody don't have health insurance to be going to the doctor, everybody don't have money to be going to, you know, a GYN. Let's keep it real. There are a lot of women that are in the inner city who can't afford a doctor, who can't afford to go to a GYN like that. So this is the best thing for them. I got these off of Amazon. I will link it down below for you guys. I got the products off of Amazon. This isn't a paid advertisement or anything like that. I am doing this because I really want to educate. I really want to help my fellow females out there to smell good, look good, okay, and get their pH balance the right way. You know, no woman should have to suffer like that, you know, and they're like wondering why I'm always catching a yeast infection. You know, maybe there's something that you're eating that is causing that. Maybe it's the clothes that you're wearing, because you know, if you wear a lot of tight clothes, you can catch a yeast infection like that. Maybe it is the partner that you are having sex with unprotectedly. Who knows? Maybe it's, like I said, the food that you're eating. You know, maybe you're not wiping properly. You know, can cause yeast infections. Stop douching. Not good for your JJ. You know, maybe a perfume or those vaginal perfumes, I don't like those. I hate those. I truly believe they cause yeast infection, and women shouldn't use that at all. You know, if you're on your period, change your tampon frequently, change your pad frequently, eat healthy, drink lots and lots and lots of water, guys, okay? And you know, make sure that you are, sometimes all you need is water just to clean your vajayjay. You don't need all this extra stuff. You know, I learned that when I was like 14 years old when I went to the gynecologist. And the gynecologist is like, the only thing you need to do is use water. You don't need to use soap. You don't need to use none of that. You need is water. You don't need all that extra stuff. You know, change your panties after you're swimming or working out. You know, don't overwash. You know, dry your vagina area, you know, after swimming and after working out. You know, there's a lot of things, because us women, we are sensitive down there. There's a lot of things that can happen to us down there, and we need to protect ourselves at all costs. We need to take care of our JJ at all costs, you know. So because we, you know, things insert inside of us, so we can get yeast fast and catch STIs fast, and it can affect us. You know, don't really affect the men like that, but it most definitely affect us. So we need to take care of ourselves, ladies, okay? We need to take care of ourselves. We need to make sure that our JJ is smelling good, tasting good, looking good, all that, okay? People think that they don't feel fresh if they don't use water. I mean, if they don't use soap down there. You don't need soap down there. You really don't. All you need is water. That's all you need is water. Water, and that's it. Okay, guys. We need to avoid yeast infections. We need to watch what we eat. You know, you probably want yeast on your bagel, but you don't want it in your vagina. Okay. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And if you have any questions, you know, put it down in the description box. I will try to answer them. And yeah, I will link the products down below in the description box. And I'm giving this a plus. Oops, I got it down there. I'm giving this a plus. This most definitely works, and it worked for me, and I think it could work for you. And I think all women should have this in their medicine cabinet for sure. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.